In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the vintage effect in Snapseed. Well, let's start off by adding an image. You wanna click on the plus icon in order to choose an image. So now I wanna choose this one. So how do we add the vintage effect? Well, you wanna click on the tools option at the bottom, and here you're gonna see the vintage option right here. So once you click on that, we got 12 options, 12 presets to choose from, guys. So depending on your image, you want to find the one that looks best. I think this looks really good on this image. So once you're done with your images, you can adjust other settings by clicking the settings icon right here. You can play with the brightness, saturation, style, strength. I cannot pronounce this word. Weakness, strength, and that is it, guys. How do we change this? You might ask. Let's choose brightness. How do we increase the brightness? Well, you want to put your finger on the screen and move it to right in order to increase it, or if you want to decrease it, you want to move it to left. So you gotta find a sweet spot where it looks really good on your image. I think brightness point +6 looks really good on this photo. You can also play with other three options as well, but I'm gonna leave it as it is for now to keep it short. So once you're done with your adjustments, in order to save them, you want to click on the check mark button located at the bottom right corner. So once you click on that, everything you've done will be saved. So this is how you use the vintage effect in Snapseed, guys. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.